is growing bigger and bigger. I want to share a brother with you that helped me to write this book, The Treasures in Heaven, Black Guide to Investing in Africa. He went to Hawaii from New York. He wanted to come to Africa, and all of a sudden, he had an accident and won a lawsuit for about $25,000 and bought his ticket to Ghana. And he's been here ever since. Very mystical journey. And he helped me to write this book for you. Black Guide. BJ, bring a copy of the book. And I want to welcome, I want you to bring forth our brother, Gabriel Atakura, to share with you what he believes we should be doing in terms of economic investment from this 18 years of being in Ghana. Let's give him a round of applause. This is the book that this brother and I co-wrote together. We helped each other to get through some difficult times and some good times. He is originally from New York City, now a resident of Ghana for 18 years. Gabriel.
Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome to Ghana. And I'm happy to see you here. You're all looking so beautiful. You have come to the right place. You have actually fulfilled your ambition by coming, those of you who are coming for the first time, for making your pilgrimage to Africa. What you've done is very important. You have made a wise decision to come here. And some of you have made the most important decision in your life. Because this place is so special. There's nothing that you can compare it to. Africa is not just another tourist destination. Some people come here and think they're just coming to take snapshots, visit the various tourist sites, like they would do in Jamaica. But this place is not the same thing as coming to the Caribbean. Africa is a door, it's like an invisible door of opportunity. A door that when you go through that door, you will have so many opportunities to advance yourself that it is almost impossible to count them all. It will change your life in ways that you could never expect. So you've made a wise decision to come, and I hope that you continue to come to Africa and have more access to all of the things that are here to do. One of the things about Africa that's important is that this is a healing place. This atmosphere over Africa is not like in the United States. There are special energies that are here that will actually heal any person that comes here. Many of our people have been wounded from the experience in the West. And living under European control and system has caused us to be in a state of dysfunction. But you may be surprised to know that the energies over Africa will heal any type of dysfunction that you may have. And over time, you not only will become healed, but you will find that you can actually reach your full potential. You can begin to build the whole being that you know you are supposed to be. And you don't have to go to any special institution to do that. Just being here, being in this atmosphere, will allow you to feel that energy and feel that uplift that comes with that. So it's quite an experience. I can personally attest to the change that is brought to me personally over the many years that I've been here. Now, as far as economics go, it's important that you try to make an effort to come here if that's what you want to do. But the whole thing is, coming into Africa is a very complex matter. The atmosphere here, the environment here is such that you can't really come by yourself and try to set up a business and expect it to be successful. You need to come here in a certain way in order to have a business that's going to succeed. And the main thing I recommend is that you need to get with your spiritual family in the United States. Don't come here alone, but try to build a unity around the people you normally work with in America who are interested in coming to Africa. And so you build a kind of a cooperative together. And so what you do is, all of you may not want to come here, probably most of, quite a few of that cooperative family group may not. So what it is that those that have that pioneering spirit, those that want to really test the waters here and come into Africa, they would be coming in on one side, and then those who want to remain in America would remain there, but be a support force for those that decided to come. And so in this way, all of the things that you need to maintain yourself here will be provided, because it's an atmosphere where there's a lot of things missing. This is not a society where you can find everything you need. In America, almost everything you need is found somewhere in the city where you live. Every aspect of life or personal needs is there. But here it's not like that. So by you having this cooperative setup, you can have it where everything you need will be provided by the group that's on the other side. And so that's one aspect of coming here, to set up that cooperative. Another thing that you should think about is, when you come here, it's very important that you link up with the elders that have been here for many years. The people that have been here for 18, 20 years, which is quite a few, they have a lot of information to share. There's a tendency for people to come here from America and from the Caribbean, and then they link up with the Ghanaians that they come in contact with. It might even be their taxi driver or the maid in the hotel. They have made business deals with people they hardly know. And a lot of times they get themselves into trouble because the people that here there's some fine people in Ghana, the best kind of people, but you need to first check in with the elders that live there. So I recommend that you get to find out who they are, and they're readily available, and they're even eager to share all that they can help you with on coming and getting set up here. And then when you have that foundation of knowledge, when you checked in with the elders, when you talk to them and have serious contact with elders that you have good chemistry with, you'll find that it will be much easier for you to get set up and to organize yourself. They will show you, for instance, which business will work here. Now, in our book, Treasures in Heaven, Black Guide for Investing in Africa, David and I have identified 14 businesses that we feel are definitely going to be lucrative. And if you go into those businesses, you're pretty guaranteed of being able to find a very good income from it. But that's the kind of information that the elders can give you. And so you need to check in with them. Don't be shy to talk to them. They're looking forward to sharing with you. So the only thing that I want to say, I want to end with this note to say that one of the main businesses I'm recommending is that, first of all, there's a lot of things missing here. And what you want to do is do market research and discover what's missing. And then the group that's on the American side can be importing those things into Africa. And you can build a business around some of the basic things that are not here that people are desperately looking for. I can name some things in the missing right here. What if I tell you there's no such thing as shoe trees in Ghana? The shoe tree you know so well that you put in your shoe to strengthen it, it's not here. Toilet kits that you need for your travel abroad are not in Ghana. There's a number of things that are missing. Just men's boxer shorts made out of 100% cotton, which you can find on every corner in the United States. You will find them nowhere in Ghana. Most of your boxer shorts are polyester. So if you had a sign up to show people that you have these items that are for sale, and you put that flyer around town, you know, like they say, if you can build a better mousetrap, the world will be the path to your door. Everybody will be rushing to your place. You don't have to chase them and find and look for customers. They'll come to you because you would have a shop where you were just displaying all the things that nobody can find. So that's just a tip. It's how you can all of a sudden become a financially independent person. So with that, I'm going to say that I hope that some of those principles will help you to make a smooth transition into Africa, will help you to find a niche into the African environment. And I look forward to seeing all of you here back here, not as visitors, but as residents when we come the next time. Thank you very much.